Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. The fraud trial of Prophetic Healing and Deliverance PhD Ministries founder Walter Magaya has been postponed to 5 June 2026 to allow the state to finalize investigations. Magaya appeared at the Harare Magistrate Court jointly charged with his wife Tendai Magaya on 13 counts of fraud. The charges relate to a multi-million-dollar church housing project that allegedly failed to materialize. Also cited in the matter are the couple's companies Blinet Africa Private Limited and Yada Connect Private Limited. The firms were represented in court by Operations Manager Tatenda Chingua. Prosecutors requested the postponement, telling the court that they had not completed investigations into the allegations before the trial could proceed. In so doing, the state alleges that between 2016 and 2018, Magaya and his co-accused defrauded PhD Ministries, congregants, and other members of the public. They allegedly claim to have secured land for residential stands and investment projects in Chishawasha, Westgate, Norton, Actaras, Ruwa, Manyame, Nyatsime, Mutare, Kwekwe, and Bulawayo. Magaya, his wife, and the company representatives are expected back in court on 5 June for the case to continue. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.